The NASAMS, Norwegian Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System. I was kinda obsessed with these types of ground-based air defense systems, so I built one for myself, as a pen holder of course. I wanted the design to allow for full rotation of the tower, and also some degree of freedom for vertical rotation. Each missile canister measures 14 centimeters, roughly the same size of a pen. Inside, there are two pieces on the front and back, which ensures pen alignment and make it easier for pen removal. This makes so part of the pen is always out of the canister for an easy grab. The piece on the front is also used to help fix the canister in the support. Creation process. Firstly, I made a 3D model in Blender. Many adaptations had to be made for the miniature dimensions. And it took multiple versions of each part to get it right. Then I sent the parts to the slicer program to prepare for 3D printing in PLA. After printing, I sanded some of the parts, applied primer and painted with acrylic spray paint. By separating some of the parts into smaller ones, I managed to get an easier printing process, which required less sanding. My design also makes use of screws and nails to assemble the parts. Finally, the NASAMS is ready for deployment. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in commissioning a similar project, please reach out to me using the email on my channel.